Chief Minister N. Biren Singh took to social media to highlight the impact of the CM's Lyric Haiminashi program, a special initiative organized by the Manipur Other Backward Classes MOBC department. In a recent post, he encouraged students to make the most of this opportunity, stressing that dedication to their studies could help them fulfill their dreams. The program aims to support students whose education was disrupted during the COVID-19 pandemic and the recent unrest in the state. In the accompanying video, a student shares how the free coaching program has proven invaluable. Security forces recently conducted successful search operations in the Hill and Valley districts, targeting vulnerable areas to ensure community safety. During these operations, they recovered a significant cache of arms and ammunition. In Uyungmakom, Bishnupur district, the forces seized various items including one SLR 7.62 mm rifle, one magazine, 6 HE-36 grenades, 4 grenade arming rings, 2 tear gas grenades, 3 Stinger grenades, 5 dual shells, 6 blank cartridges, 2 Baofeng WT sets, 2 bulletproof jackets, 1 improvised explosive device IED weighing approximately 2.3 kilograms, and 4 HE-36 detonators. Meanwhile, in Shantipur Makhalekai, Imphal West district, security personnel recovered 1 single barrel gun, 2 locally made 9mm pistols with 2 magazines, 1 empty 7.62 LMG magazine, 3 M67 hand grenades with detonators, 1 tube launching device, 4 live rounds of ammunition, 41 empty ammunition cases, and 3 tear smoke shells. As per a release by the Manipur Police Control Room, the operations are part of ongoing efforts to maintain peace and security in the region. A team of researchers from the Northeast Institute of Science and Technology, NIST, Jorhat, Assam, discovered a new plant species in the Dibang Valley district in Arunachal Pradesh. According to an official release, the plant is identified as belonging to the Begonia sect Platycentrum. One of the researchers, Dr. Pankaj Bharali, stated that the species has been recognized as new to science. The team has named the species Begonia nisti in honor of NIST for its successful completion of 60 years and its significant contributions to local communities through science and technology. Israel early this morning conducted military airstrikes on Iranian sites, describing the action as a response to recent attacks by Tehran. This incident marks a further escalation in the ongoing tensions between the two heavily armed nations. Following the strikes, IDF spokesman Rear Admiral Daniel Hagari issued a statement in English warning that if Iran escalated the situation further, Israel would respond decisively. He confirmed the completion of Israel's military actions, stating that they had carried out targeted strikes on military targets in Iran to neutralize immediate threats to the nation.
response to months of continuous attacks from the regime in Iran against the State of Israel. Right now, the Israel Defense Forces is conducting precise strikes on military targets in Iran. The regime in Iran and its proxies in the region have been relentlessly attacking Israel since October 7th on 7 fronts, including direct attacks from Iranian soil. Like every other sovereign country in the world, the State of Israel has the right and the duty to respond. Our defensive and offensive capabilities are fully mobilized. We will do whatever necessary to defend the State of Israel and the people of Israel.
In a significant event to fortify sports culture in the state, the third Dhanamandjuri University Inter-College Football Men's Tournament 2024 was inaugurated today at the university's playground by MLA Thangjam Arun Kumar of the Wangkai Assembly constituency. This year's tournament, running until October 31st, features 5 teams from DM College of Commerce, Science, Arts, LMS Law College and the Department of Physical Education. The inauguration was graced by esteemed guests including Principal of DM College of Science Professor M. Bhuvaneshwari, Principal of DM College of Arts T. Ranjit and Registrar of Dhanamandjuri University Dr. R.K. Jotin. In his inaugural address, MLA Thangjam Arun Kumar highlighted the vital role of sports in youth development.